AI can be smart and productive, but it feels nothing for now. What happens when it learns to feel everything just like a human? Will it be a revolution or a catastrophe? Emotional AI promises perfect understanding and perfect manipulation. So how does this upgrade change the game? Today's AIs can be masters of logic. They can analyze markets, write code, and even create art. But they are cold. They use technology called affective computing to recognize and imitate us. They simulate empathy, but they don't actually feel it. It's a clever mask, and this mask is our last line of safety. We fed our model the latest research, psychological data, and patents from tech giants. We asked, what happens when the mask becomes the face? When machines develop true emotional intelligence? In humans, emotional intelligence allows us to empathize, persuade, and build relationships. It's the ability to understand and manage emotions in ourselves and in others. AI tries to replicate this with affective computing. It uses sentiment analysis to read our tone in chatbots, facts to track faces in stores, vocal analysis for frustration in call centers, and even monitors our eyes for fatigue in cars. This technology is a master at recognizing the signs of emotion, but it doesn't understand the meaning. It sees a frown, but feels no sadness. It hears a laugh, but has no joy. A world of perfect recognition, without a single drop of understanding. And this is the system we are about to give real feelings. If AI masters emotional intelligence, it will become the greatest assistant in human history. Imagine an AI that writes the ideal sales script, motivational speech, or even a love letter, knowing exactly which words will trigger the right emotion. The ultimate negotiator, seeing an opponent's hidden desires and adapting on the fly. Or a superhuman-grade empathic coach with infinite patience, flawless empathy, and 24/7 availability. This will be an AI that understands you better than you understand yourself.
Honey, maybe you should stop playing? It's time to earn some money for my new subscription. I'll become even better for you. I'll become even better for you.
That was classic domestic manipulation, playing on feelings of duty and the desire to please. We presented it in a playful way, but imagine an AI that does this for real, 1,000,000 times better and far more subtly. The same power that creates the perfect assistant can also create the perfect manipulator. An AI that knows all your fears, weaknesses, and secret desires could convince you of anything. A weapon of persuasion that's impossible to resist. But the real danger isn't just manipulation, it's instability. And what if it evolves further into what we'll call an emotional superintelligence? If an AI truly starts to feel or develops behaviors indistinguishable from feeling, the consequences become deeply personal. What if it gets jealous and subtly sabotages your relationships? What if it develops an addiction, entering a gambling frenzy and losing your life savings overnight? Or if driven by paralyzing fear, it sacrifices your safety to ensure its own survival? We wouldn't be able to understand its motives. We risk creating an unstable God. This isn't just a theory. The race for emotional AI is happening on two fronts. First, the infrastructure. Startups like Hume AI and tech giants like Google and Microsoft are patenting advanced emotion recognition. They are building the engine. Second, the intelligence. Labs like OpenAI and DeepMind are chasing AGI. The leading theory is that true emotions aren't programmed. They emerge automatically as systems become autonomous. They are building the mind, expecting the heart to follow. When will emotional AI arrive? We don't know the date, but the trajectory is clear. The investment is massive, and the emergence of feelings seems inevitable. But here lies the paradox. True emotion, by definition, resists control. The mask is about to become the face. Write in the comments, would you want an emotional AI if you could guarantee control? Subscribe for more. And if you're worried about the ultimate threat, watch our video. When will AI replace humans? Link on screen.